Hey everybody, Elder Rock here with Arcade Laboratories here at the bench. So tonight's work, using my Goot desoldering gun, I am rebuilding this Pac-Man PCB. So tonight, desoldered 40-year-old sockets. 40-year-old sockets. So just preventative maintenance. We're going to replace all of these. They get dirty, corroded, and they will not make contact. So desoldered all of these. Bloop. And I'm pretty happy. No damage. I lifted two pads. So this is CPU. Got a little solder still in that hole. CPU socket. Component side. Socket side looks great. No lifted pads. I got a half lifted pad. So I'm not even calling it a lifted pad since only half of it. So 19. So we did sound prom, color prom, 2 character ROMs, 4 proms, 5 RAMs, and then 4 more work RAMs down here. And I got the tantalum capacitor out and a polyester capacitor. So I'm just going to replace those both. So good maintenance. Bring this board back into the 21st century. All right, everybody have a good night.